I hope the library is not crowded today. I just want to curl up with a good book. Let's go to the catalog station to find something. Wait, what's happening? Ah!
Hey, who are you? How did you find your way here?
Who are you? You're floating?
Why, of course. I'm the librarian. As guardian of the library, I can find you any book or information in the blink of an eye. Is something wrong? You look like you could use some help.
I think I'm lost. This looks like the library, but everything seems different. Where am I?
This is the library's alternate dimension. You must have crossed over by accident.
Alternate dimension? What's that?
Everything that goes on in the actual library is reflected in the alternate dimension. This bar shows the library's health, or HP. When library patrons are happy, the library stays healthy.
Oh no! Why is the library's HP so low?
It can happen when something interferes with the library experience. As we speak, a mysterious enemy has made its way into our catalog stations. Everything is out of order, and people keep getting wrong answers to all their questions.
The HP is decreasing again.
If it reaches 0, the dark forces from the alternate dimension could break free and wreak havoc in the real world.
No! We can't let that happen!
Will you help me find the right answers to our patrons' questions? If we regain enough strength, we'll be able to confront the enemy and stop the dark forces once and for all.
Okay, let's go! Lead the way! Hold on. Do you hear that?
That ping means someone is asking a question.
Let's read it.
He wants to learn about the Singapore food scene. Here, you can find dishes from different countries and cultures. Do you know which street food has been around longer? Ramly burger or ice kacang?